It's okay, go. Come on, guy, go to the feeder.
Saying that they are a rehash of a dangerous system. The government announced the scrapping of offset rates for...
Oops, sorry about that. So I got that yellow feeder, the finch feeder from the Wild Birds Unlimited over the weekend. Today's Monday, and that one is so much better than the other ones because it has a detachable bottom where you can clean it easy. So that I'm looking forward to. It's more sturdy too. I mean, it's just, wow. I paid more than, it costs a little bit more, but you know what? I think this one will last so much longer and it's easier to clean. I guess this bird's not gonna go to the finch feeder that I got. But he is going to town on those safflowers seeds.